I'm General Sonyo. I play for CPBL Karkar Army. My position is shooting guard or point guard. Think question about me. Number 1, favorite food, sisig. Number 2, my favorite basketball player is Stephen Curry. Number 3, my favorite subject in school, English. Number 4, my crush is secret. Number 5, what is love? Love is about loyalty and trust. And number 6, why do you love basketball? I love basketball because this is my happiness and skip the sad.
Point blank, do what I should blank. Point blank, do what I could blank. Point